Hi, I'm AC Lockyer, the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. Schools and universities, all types of places of education, have people coming in and out all the time touching surfaces. While you're on break for spring break or possibly closed because of this crisis, now is the ideal time to take care of those exterior surfaces with a bulk sanitation from a SoftWash Systems in-network company. We sanitize according to the CDC recommendations. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.